Hello friends, welcome back. In our next video, we are planning to use Redis. So Redis is basically a caching mechanism, how we use cache, and it's free. Enterprise version is not free, but means we can start using Redis for free. So to do that, let's first try to see how we can install Redis, and then in next video we'll be implementing it in our Spring Boot application. So to install it, let's type something like Redis, install Redis on Windows, and then you'll be seeing some releases. So I think we can try. Okay, so the first link is release. We have a release here from GitHub. This is also there, Redis Windows. Let's see both of the links, which one we can use. Yeah, there are bug fixes, releases, and this is what assets. Okay, we have here we have Windows Redis for Windows 5.0.14.1. This is saying latest, so we'll be using this one. Let's try to download this .msi file. So I'm downloading this one. This is downloaded. So this is that installer. Let's try to install this one. So it says next. I'll accept the agreement. Next. I don't want to install it in program files. I want to install it in C Redis. So instead of going to program files, I'll directly install it in C Redis. So this is my folder structure. C Redis installation folder to your path environment. So you should do this one, means otherwise you have to separately add that Redis path to your environment variable path. But if you do click it here, add this Redis installation folder to the path environment variable, it will be done, automatically. So next. So this is the default port on which Redis will run, 6379, and then add an exception to the Windows firewall. Yeah, let's add that as well. Set the max memory limit. We can use max memory. I'm not setting it now at this point. You can add a memory, means by default it will probably use 100 MB of memory, but we can use it. Yeah, I can do like 1000 MB or maybe 2000 MB. Yeah, let's try this. So now it's installing. We have to wait a little bit for installer to complete the installation. Okay, so just little bit on the Redis while this installation is happening. It's vastly used in enterprise applications these days, even for the projects I work. What is this thing? Yes. Yeah, so whatever projects I work in, everywhere I use Redis, or means in any other company they use Redis at this point. This is very nice thing. It's very useful, very handy, and very easy to use rather. So installation is done. Let's go to the folder. So C Windows Redis. This is the folder Redis, and these are the two exe we should be using. One is Redis CLI, second one is Redis server. So if we click just Redis server, it should start the Redis. I have already started the server. Next one we'll be testing our stuffs here in CLI. So if you see, it's running on localhost 6379 port. So if I do ping, it says Pong. That means this is how we can understand that Redis is running. So this is it for this video. We have successfully installed Redis, and in next video we'll be start using Redis. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.